Welcome to Leaning Towards Six Sigma. Can a world be without the Q word quality? This vlog series exploring the quality as a theme and how it affects the organization positively or negatively. How can we bring in process quality using some of the best practices with examples and videos? In this vlog, I'm going to share cash to cash cycle. Whether your organization manufactures a product or sells a service, it takes time from an investment you make in raw materials or employee effort to deliver a service to flow back into your company as cash. The most widely used and appropriate metric for gauging that time is the cash to cash cycle, also known as cash conversion cycle. Let's explore. So I just wanted to bring in a value chain perspective on the profit leakage. Cash to cash cycle, yes, that starts from more of a technical definition where supplier gets the money and then you get the money from the customer. This I'm depicting the value chain. If you look at this value chain, simple, straightforward, generic, customer requirement, sales and marketing, design of a product or service, and planning, material planning, production planning, supply chain management, getting the material, execution, and warehouse. It goes to the finished goods, and dispatch is ready, and dispatch is done, and invoicing is done, and collection is done. And this is an upstream value chain, and this is a downstream value chain, and finally to get the customer satisfaction as well as money from the customer. Any organization is interested to generate cash. Simple. And how effectively I generate cash is the challenge. But this is a simple value chain. It's not so simple for many organizations because of many areas of weaknesses. For example, pricing is a weakness, design defects is a weakness, resource, the productivity and so on is a weakness, and poor planning of material, poor planning of production is a weakness. Inventory management is an opportunity for profit leakage. Dispatch, if you don't dispatch on time, everything is done, and because of dispatch delay, customer anyway is not going to pay unless you deliver him, and also credit period starts for him, and the delivery is done, delivery delays and quality issues of final, then the customer responds back and saying that it is not as per their requirement, etc. Again another cycle of profit leakage or rework for that matter, and some more uncontrolled overtime, because many times people feel that there are a lot of overtime in itself. If you investigate, you will find a lot of weaknesses inside the system. I don't say that overtime should be completely eliminated, but the whole point is overtime, is it acceptable limit, is it justified enough, is it supporting the productivity and generating the cash and delivering value to the customer? If not, then overtime in itself is a profit leakage. And finally, expensive mode of bringing raw material. I've seen many organizations, because of the poor planning, they don't get the material on time. With that result, the production guys hurrying it, that they say no, I need the material right away. Then what they do, then instead of getting it by road, which is cheapest, and they get it from airlifted, and that you lose the money. So with that result, a lot of places the money is getting down the drain, which is not noticed. That's not the traditional way of measuring the KPI. So these are some of the areas, if you investigate, you will find in an organization n number of improvement opportunity exists. That's why I picked up value chain perspective. An organization is need to generate cash. See, typically any manufacturing organization, the moment you purchase the raw material is received, within 30 days or 60 days you are supposed to pay to the supplier. Obviously he will get the money, but my conversion process still going on and on. With the example what I just quoted in my previous slide, poor material planning, change in specifications, design issues and so on will increase the conversion time from raw material to finished goods. With that result, you delay the collection, because you delay the project, you delay the delivery, you delay the invoicing, and so is in the case of collection. So the company is starving for money. That's what I'm trying to depict. Supplier has got the payment and conversion process still going on, and then suddenly you and finally you get the cash from the customer after so many days, so many weeks. It depends on the organization to organization. I have seen many organizations where 60th day of getting the raw material, they pay the money. After 60th day, almost 3 to 4 months from there, they collect the money, because that much time it takes to deliver the order because of a lot of issues. So why I picked up this particular example, cash to cash cycle. Typically, if you investigate cash to cash cycle, you will find enormous amount of improvement opportunity, and you can directly link it to the profit leakage. Thank you for your time. I will cover what are the ways to improve cash to cash cycle in my next vlog. Until we meet, please explore Leaning Towards Six Sigma. Thank you.